So how big is the opportunity in AM for industry as a whole and in turn for the gases business?
Um, if we look at the numbers published by AM Power, and I believe the numbers are very strong, the metal AM market was in 2020 more than $8 billion US. This includes materials, systems, and part manufacturing services. So typically the job shops that produce parts for third parties. But the value of goods produced is much bigger. It's more than the materials and the systems and the services, so more than the 8 billions. So 8 billions in 2020, and this market is expected to reach 20 billions US dollar in 2025. And this is only the metal additive manufacturing market. There is also a polymer market, but gases are less important in that area. For the gases business, gases are needed along the complete process chain, especially argon and in some cases nitrogen. It starts with the part of production where millions of cubic meters of argon are needed at each production site. For printing, the consumption is much lower with a few thousand cubic meters per printer and per year, but there are more than 10,000 metal printers worldwide, 10,000, and this is growing rapidly. Finally, there are also post processes like heat treatment and hot isostatic pressing where gases are needed. And the opportunities for the gas industry are multiple. I would like to highlight two. First, to support the growth and industrialization of AM with innovation. This is what we are doing at Linde by developing solutions. One example, we are launching this year a new process gas that we have developed with a leading company from the medical industry. This process gas, compared to argon, enables to reduce the formation of byproducts during printing. Less byproducts means higher quality, but also it enables a faster printing. We also offer solutions to store powder under inert gas or innovative gas solution for large powder producers where argon recycling is sometimes a topic. The second point I would like to highlight, I believe we should embrace this technology to rethink the way we design and produce parts that we use in our plants or offer to our customers. At Linde, we are rethinking the way we produce parts like burners and heat exchangers, but also look at printing spare parts to reduce delivery time.